Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11 and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now you will need a cable for it, Type-C, and you will need a computer. I'm going to be using a Mac because for some reason it doesn't want to work with my Windows, so that's that, Apple for you. So anyway, let's plug it in, and once you plugged it in, press volume up, then volume down, and hold power key. And there we go, that is the recovery mode, and that's how you boot your device into it. So once you're done with it, you want to leave this mode. All you need to do is simply unplug it, hold the power key. The device will turn off, and you can hold it again to turn it back on. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.